What's up, guys? TechnologicalAdvance coming to you live with a review of the wireless keyboard, the MK320, and this also comes with a wireless mouse. This keyboard combo is usually $49.95 or $49.99. I got it on half price at Staples, and it's a good keyboard, but some of the downsides are the mouse is not that nice. I gotta say it's pretty bad. It doesn't feel nice and reactive as my. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to get my other mouse to show you. This is my other mouse that I use instead of that one. This is a much better mouse, and it's got, like, when you click it, you know you've clicked it. But with this, it's pretty bad. Another downside, look at the size of the USB connector on this. That's giant. Let's get my camera to focus. Yeah, that's giant compared to the other mouse. The micro USB that some of the other mice ship with. Yeah, so that's a downside. Another downside, on most keyboards you've got your flip up to adjust the level. Well, mine, you can see there's that white mark right there. Those are bend marks on both, because these aren't built sturdy, and I like it when it's elevated. So when I went to type, it would press down on it when I was pressing the shortcuts, and it would bend them. And actually trying to find all of these, I had to go searching through my room to find all the pieces, because these constantly fall off, and it's a pain. Some of the good parts, well, I don't know, depends on what you like. This could be a good or a bad. This is a snap-on USB. Some people like the slide, like it to slide, but this is just snap-on USB. It's got easy access to the battery just by pressing this battery button. The battery is pretty awesome. This came with the battery, and I haven't changed it since, and it's been about a year. I'd say that's good enough time to do a full review. And so yeah, it's a really good keyboard, except for those minor down spots. Now let's go to the keyboard. This is optimized for Windows, so I wouldn't try using this for a Mac. It's got all the shortcuts, like the FN, F7 and stuff, to get search. Locking PC is okay. So yeah, so those are all the shortcuts. One thing I don't like is, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it looks like the I'll try and get it. It looks like the buttons on the numbers and letters are stickers. Yeah, so that's a downside. No, I can't get it to focus. Sorry about that. Oh, there. If you can see around the question mark, it looks like it's a sticker. And when I'm using it, it feels like they're gonna just peel off. So that's a downside. A good side is they've got the pause, play, fast forward, or skip track, or rewind, or backtrack, and you can get to your notes, music, your desktop screen, your email, and you can show all the panels that are open on the desktop. And you can control volume right from here. So that's also good. And yeah, so those are pretty much the goods and the bads about the keyboard. My overall, what I think is you should buy this. You won't be disappointed. I know I wasn't. I've used it for like a year, except for the minor setbacks, but that doesn't really matter. It still works great. And yeah, so don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and like. And check out my channel, because I'm just starting off in the tech review section. And that'd be great. Okay, see ya.